How to get XP fast in Duolingo. Let's start the video by launching your Duolingo application on your mobile device. Today in this video, I will share some tips and tricks to help you get XP fast in Duolingo. So the first step is to be consistent with your practice. Set a daily goal and try to complete it regularly. Even a few minutes of practice each day can help accumulate XP over time. Focus on completing lessons and exercises that challenge you but are still manageable. This can help you earn more XP than repeating easier lessons. Also take advantage of the practice features in Duolingo. It allows you to review multiple skills in single session. Earning more XP compared to individual lessons, keep an eye on your streaks. Maintaining a daily streak earns you a bonus XP, so try not to miss a day of practice. Another effective way in Duolingo events or challenges, these can offer additional XP reward for completing certain tasks or goals within a specific time. Utilize time to practice sessions. These sessions challenge you to answer as many questions as possible within a time limit, granting you more XP for quicker and more accurate response. Remember, the key to earning XP fast in Duolingo is consistency, focus, and active participation in various learning activities. And there you have it. Thank you all for watching it till the end, and stay tuned till our next upload.